Peat Sorb is made from 100% natural sphagnum peat moss. It absorbs oil and chemicals on land as well as water. It has the ability to absorb 8 to 12 times its own weight in contaminants. It encapsulates these contaminants and will not leach them, making it EPA approved for sanitary landfill disposal. It is a non-abrasive product, does not contain silica, and is environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Today we will be demonstrating how Peat Sorb can be an effective tool in the cleanup of major oil spills on water. For demonstration purposes, we will be using standard automotive oil as our contaminant in the clean water. Just as in a major oil spill, you will see the oil floats on top of the water, making it extremely hazardous for any waterfowl in the area if they should come in contact with the surface of this water. To show just what would happen if a bird were to land on top of this water, I dipped a clean feather in the oil contaminated water, and as you can see, that bird would not fly away. Now we will add Peat Sorb to the oil spill. I will now take the second feather and show you what would happen if a bird landed in an oil spill that had been treated with Peat Sorb. As you can see, there's very little Peat Sorb stuck to the feather. No sign of any oil residue left on the feather. A significant difference from our first feather. This bird would have a chance at survival.